Wanted to show you this little chainsaw hack that I have. Bar oil is pretty expensive. So if you want to save some money, you can go to the dollar store. You can get yourself some of this vegetable oil. A lot of these oils are, they're all just seed oils. So this one is soybean oil. Canola was originally designed to be a machine lubricant, and they figured out some chemical process to bring certain things down to get humans to be able to consume them. So you can use them in your chainsaw, and it works really well. So I went out and I cut a bunch of wood with it, and I honestly didn't notice any difference between using vegetable oil and bar oil. The difference is it's like this a couple bucks. Same amount of bar oils, 3 or 4 times that. So try it at your own risk. I didn't have any issues, so you may save yourself a couple of bucks. Put it in, put a little bit in and try it on a couple of chunks of wood and see how it does for you. But worked good for me.